Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video, just a one, I think it's a slab. I don't know. Should I shake it? It's like Christmas. So one quick unboxing video, and yeah, I'll just show you what's inside. I hope it's something interesting, and I'm not sure what it is, so we'll find out. So let's check out what's inside. I sliced it open already now, and see, it's got a lot of bubble wrap. Yeah, like I said, it's just one slab. And we'll open it up. It was very well wrapped. I got to give credit. Oh, it's a big one. It's kind of a cool one. It's a modern key. Batman 635. Now this is the first appearance of the Red Hood, well, modern, where, let me read it properly. Jason Todd as the Red Hood. This is a really cool comic. It's one I actually wanted for a while. It's just a really cool comic. Let me take it out of the bag even so you can see what it looks like. So it's not a 9.8, it's a 9.6, but you know, sometimes I buy 9.6s just because it's such a savings. Like, you know, sometimes you can look at a 9.6, and when they show the close-up pictures, what I always look for is, are there any spine ticks, color breaking spine ticks, or something that can be pressed out. So in this case, this comic has like a slight, like this is probably why I got a 9.6. It has a slight impression right there, like right by the, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's non-color breaking. And it's something that could be pressed out. So this, if I get it pressed, probably could get a 9.8. So it's a very nice, nice comic overall. And I got it for, as I said, if I press it out and it becomes a 9.8, I got it for maybe a third or fourth of the price of a 9.8. So just a really great way to buy some key comics at a slightly better price, you know, than buying it at the 9.8. Most moderns I prefer to get at that higher grade, just because you know, they're so non-rare at that point when they're a modern comic. This one is a pretty expensive comic. I think in a 9.8 it goes for over 500-600, and it's just a really cool one. There was recently a video game with the Red Hood, and you know, there's a lot of popularity for it. A lot of this character is really popular right now, and it's one that people are kind of seeking. So this is a good spec book as well. I would actually say this is a good book if you're interested in the character of the Red Hood. This is definitely one you want to pick up. I'm actually looking for his first appearance, his Golden Age appearance. But that's a pretty pricey book. I think even in a low grade early Red Hood, I think goes for about 5,000-6,000. So I've seen it on auction a few times and just never could get to that level. It's just in a very pricey book. But this one is still this one's still pretty cool, and it's got an awesome cover. It's just like, you know, I always like these kind of action kind of covers where you see the first appearance and it's, you know, the person's on the cover and he's fighting with this hero. You know, it's just really cool. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's just one slab. I actually have some pretty big unboxings later, and stay tuned for those. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.